Alright, hey guys, welcome in. Today I got a new video for you guys, a really easy one, bubble letters, how to do bubble letters. Bubble letters I use in a lot of different projects. A lot of people do different types of fonts, but bubble letters is one of my favorite ones. And especially even as young as kindergarten, learning how to do bubble letters is kind of a cool thing. When kids do different words and stuff, they like doing maybe the first letter in bubble letters or their name in bubble letters, and it's a really cool skill to have. So I'm going to get right into it. Before we get into this, why don't you hit that subscribe button down below. Do me a favor, hit that red button. That's the easiest way to get all my videos that are coming out every single week here, having new videos for you guys on Mr. Schuette's art channel. Do me a favor also and like, comment, and share the videos. We can build our art community that way, and that's the best way to do that is by hitting the like button. I know that which videos that you are liking and which videos are not liking, and I'll make more of the videos that you do like. So let's get right into this. So making bubble letters, I will start with an M and let's say an S too. I'll do a kind of, I guess an M is more of a kind of a boxy letter, and an S is definitely more of a curvy letter. So two different letters, and it's kind of the first ones of my name, Mr. Schuette, to you guys. So let's start with an M. I just started out, the way I started out is just writing the regular letter. As I usually tell my kids, to start off in pencil first, and then I'll kind of go over it so you can see it a little bit better. So if I just did a regular M on there, the way that I do bubble letters is to kind of pretend and kind of trace like you're going around a racetrack, around the whole entire letter. So this one, I'm gonna pick kind of this cool, I just got a bunch of different tools over here. You can do it with any tool. You can do it with Sharpies, markers, crayons, colored pencils, oil pastels, anything that you want. I'm gonna use this kind of red-orange over here. So trace around it. So you want to go all the way around it like a racetrack, and it magically turns into a bubble letter. Now, if I wouldn't have done this as dark so you could see it, if I would have done this light, I could just erase it, and then it would be a bubble letter. Again, I'm going to do an S. So this one, so I guess, like I said, the M was a little bit more boxy of a letter, and an S is definitely more got a curve. I guess a bubble is kind of like a circle shape. That's the kind of shape that you should be trying to do these letters that are kind of outlining it. This one I'm going to do in my jumbo crayon. So I'm going to take my jumbo crayon and trace around it, just like I said, kind of like a circle, and then go around like a racetrack all the way around the letter. And just like that, again, it kind of turns into a bubble letter. Again, you could erase this if you did it in pencil, or you could just color it in or do patterns or designs. I'm gonna make this all fancy, decorate it, and design it, and that is how to do bubble letters. So let's go through this really, really quick, like this. Alright, so there it is, just like that. I kind of decorated the whole background and did a little shading, a little design decoration on there. I even added some more letters down at the bottom, just so that you can see that you can pretty much do any single letter. It isn't just, you know, big letters. You can do small letters too, obviously using different types of tools throughout that. So thank you guys for viewing this. As always, I am Mr. Schuette. This is Mr. Schuette's art channel, and happy bubble letters. Talk to you guys later.